This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, AMC is being manipulated down to the ground, okay? And it doesn't matter if the market is red. It don't matter if they have recession fears, rather. It doesn't matter about the war in Israel. It doesn't matter about the sell-off in China and Japan. Institutions are the primary owner of AMC shares. AMC shares are owned by retail investors. And I do not think any retail investors are selling off their AMC shares because of recession fears or because they think there's going to be a war in Israel. This right here, in my opinion, is the bad actors doubling and tripling down on the criminality. I would love to see the pre-market trading history and the aftermarket trading history of AMC over the last 2 days, because I don't believe anybody who was up $72 is now rushing to sell when they're already down 96%. It makes absolutely no sense to me whatsoever. But could I be wrong? Possible, but I don't think I am. Okay? This is the bad actors doubling and tripling down on their criminal activity. And the SEC knows, the DOJ knows, the FBI knows. Anyway, here are the numbers for AMC. Volume 14,288,146. You know, these numbers mean absolutely nothing because we can't really see what's going on in the dog pools or what's going on in the other exchanges that they are utilizing to manipulate the price of the stock. Calls in the money, 2,869 at $5, an additional 8,388 calls in the money. Once again, these numbers mean absolutely nothing because they do what they want. They violate the rules. They lend the same shares over and over again. They create counterfeit shares. And yes, the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI is fully aware and do absolutely nothing. 47.3% of that volume was shorted shares. So somehow they found 7 million AMC shares to short into the market and push down the price when retail investors own AMC. Retail investors are not selling based on what I'm seeing. And retail investors are definitely not voluntarily lending their shares after everything they've learned over the past 3 years. This is the bad actors creating counterfeit shares in order to manipulate the price. And I'm not telling anybody to buy, hold, or sell AMC. I just think retail's not selling. I believe this is the bad actors engaging in more criminality in order to steal from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. And they're claiming they can cover all their AMC shorts in 4.15 business days. That is absolute nonsense to me. And of course, they still claim the short interest is like 14.65. It's probably 100 times higher than that. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that AMC retail investors are selling off their AMC shares because they're afraid of a war in Israel or the sell-off in China and Japan? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.